Hey guys, this video is with an intention to help you do the best you can with leftover stuff. So for this video, the first video today, I got some stuff, which is some rice over here, which is from yesterday, and some kale and some peppers, and I'm going to use some fresh ingredients. I have 2 leaflets of kale, half pepper, some garlic, a clove of garlic, some mushrooms and onions. I've chopped them up roughly. This is the rice I had from yesterday, and some seasoning, salt, pepper, soy sauce, a little butter. Already have the pan on, it's hot. I'm going to pour in some oil. You'll need like 15 ml of oil. I'm not measure it, eyeballing 15 ml. Yeah, that should be 15, right? And I always like to add the oil first. The pan's hot, and then the butter, because butter tends to smoke out. So put the butter into the oil. Done that there, half a teaspoon of butter. And once that is smoky, I'm going to start with the veggies. The veggies take more time. That's my onions and peppers are going to go in first, then garlic, and then the kale and the mushrooms. We'll go in that order. Okay. And this is some salt and fresh pepper and salt over there. Light soy sauce. I got some light soy sauce. And a few cashews for garnish. You can put any kind of dry fruits. Yeah, like say, kids don't like eating dates and prunes and dried stuff, apricots, dried stuff like that. So this will be a good way of making the meal goes by like chopping up those dry fruits fine, and just after that you want to mix with the rice and you don't know what to eat, but it tastes good altogether, and you have some nutrients going into your system, right? Okay, my fat is ready. I'm going to start with the onions first. Peppers and onions look good, so I'm going to add in the mushrooms next. Give them a nice stir. When they start spreading, I add in the kale. This side, do a nice little toss. I'm going to add a pinch of salt at this stage. I prefer using rock salt, but for such recipes, if you're doing a curry or a gravy or a roast, rock salt is ideal. But recipes where you need recipes like these, yeah, of course you need powdered salt, or you don't want chunks of salt coming in your mouth. I'm going to add the kale. Let's brush down everything into it. Let's go straight into the sink. I'm going to wash it later. I'm going to finish this video and then do that. Good. I'm going to give stoves. It takes a little while. In a commercial kitchen, it's easier, it's fast, and you're able to when you cook at high heat, you do your stir fry. Actually, you are able to lock in the juices because of the high heat. The surface gets caramelized, and it seals and locks in the juices of the veggies or the meat or whatever you're cooking. So that's the reason why. However you try, you're going to create the same taste you make in a commercial kitchen. And when you do at home, there's a big difference. And that's one of the reasons, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, it smells good. Now it goes in the rice. Yeah, rice is a little lumpy because it's kept in the fridge, it's day old. As I said before, when you cook in a commercial kitchen, things are a little more easier. Let us move it through, distribute the rice and veggies. Try to break up the lumps. So that's it, guys. Simple fried rice made from leftover stuff. Mainly I wanted to save the rice, and looks good, right? Next time we're going to probably do 2 dishes at a time, if time and substance permits.